I believe the tour to the province of Namosi, especially the interior of Namosi, is something that we've continued from last week. Not only from last week, but ever since taking up office in me and the ministry trying to reach out and go to all the facilities under the Ministry of Health, and today was no different in that coming up to the interior of Namosi to come and again see firsthand and experience and meet our staff, look at the facilities that they serve in and the challenges that they face, and trying and going back, see how the ministry can address those challenges that are raised by our staff that do man these facilities in giving out services of the Ministry of Health, providing health care to the people of Namosi. Today we visited 3 nursing stations so far, and it was again very, very thankful to the Central Division, the Divisional Medical Officer and his team for allowing us to come over and visit the area, and again during the visit we noticed firsthand the experience and the challenges that the staff mending the facility, providing healthcare, and also the people that are seeking healthcare. So again, I'm very thankful to have this opportunity to come up and to the interior of Namosi and experience firsthand what everyone is, what our ministry is going through, especially in providing healthcare to the people of the interior of Namosi. The participation and involvement of the Vanua, especially here in the interior of Namosi, is very important with regards to healthcare delivery. Not only that, with infrastructure and healthcare delivery, Ministry of Health and the Vanua, especially the interior of Namosi, they have a role to play and we have a role to play. So it is you can say a partnership that we look forward to strengthening that partnership so that we can improve the healthcare delivery and also the health-seeking behavior of the people of the interior of Namosi. And so far, what we've shared with the community and the response have been positive, and we look forward to strengthening that partnership as we go on. And again, in terms of budgetary allocations, we are very thankful that the budgetary allocations for this year in terms of outreach, especially to hard-to-reach places, hard-to-reach communities such as this, is those allocations will allow the Ministry of Health to provide the services in that sense, provide universal health coverage to hard-to-reach areas. So again, we looking forward to that partnership and looking forward to utilizing the budget for the outreach programs. Not only that, there are other things that the ministry can work in relation with the Vanua, the people of the interior of Namosi and other areas that we have visited and probably will be visiting in the next this financial year. Part of that the experience coming up to the interior of Namosi was firstly to experience the road conditions coming up and crossing the bridges, crossing the rivers, and just sitting down with them and experiencing firsthand what they go through in terms of seeking health care. And if the road is not good, if the bridges are not good, then it hinders their health-seeking behavior in reaching the health care. So even though those part of the infrastructure are not under the Ministry of Health, but we will be liaising with the relevant ministries on how they can improve that, so it will allow the people to have easy access to their respective health centers, nursing stations, or health facilities that do look after them. So again, it's an important determinant, especially roads. And coming up to the interior of Namosi, I can say that there's still room for improvement in terms of our road conditions, and I believe we will improve on that in this financial year. We were advised by the subdivisional health inspector here in Naua, who she looks after this area, and there have been cases of typhoid here, and with typhoid, in terms of lessening the probably the outbreak of it. So prevention is better than cure. That's why there are certain protocols in place to try and limit other factors that would relate to outbreaks. So it's a matter of what we do within the Ministry of Health, what's legislated for us to do in that. We have the powers to come in and put in regulations and policies in place to try and lessen this typhoid at the moment. From the two facilities that we visited, they've all voiced the same thing in terms of what has been happening, but we're glad that we're on top of it in terms of trying to reduce the impact of outbreaks, and in that sense also try to get to the bottom of it and the source, and trying to reduce that. You look at the source and trying to take care of that. So again, it's something that we're currently doing at the moment, but for now here in the interior of Namosi, we'll be working extra hard to try and have this issue rectified and solved in the earliest possible time. After the tour today, again, I'm very thankful and very appreciative of the friendliness, the welcome that we have received in the areas, not only the facilities, but the villages that we have visited. And the relationship between the Vanua and the facilities, and again, as part of the ministry, we've come to see and experience in that it's very, very good, and there's a relationship. I can say we can start to build on this positive relationship of partnership, in that the Vanua, especially the interior of Namosi, the Ministry of Health. We're glad that we came with the PA and the ROCO. All these ministries have a role to play in trying to improve not only health, but the social determinants of health as well. So to the Vunu of Namosi, na Serua levu, na valevu na Vedingomi, na valevu na Bika Waitaki, na Vinuanuan Kakan, sa Havini na valevu, kuni ministry. And again, very thankful that I've had this experience to come up and witness firsthand, especially this is my first time up here in the interior of Namosi. So thank you, Namosi, and thank you to the team at Navu subdivision and to the Ministry of Health in the Central Divisional.